Hi, this is Ricky from Preschool Sweet Treat Plus, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite storage hacks. Now, I just love photo boxes. I have bought numerous photo boxes, white or clear, plain color, colored, and I usually put all my objects, my mini objects, in the boxes. But I'm going to show you how to even save more room, okay? So this is my set of photo boxes. There are 12 boxes here. Now, what I've done, this is like one of my favorite new organizers, and I got it from Sam's Club, and I'm going to show you how I store all of these files. But I'm going to specifically show you Final Consonant Deletion today. I want to show you what I did. So this is my Praxia Final Consonant Deletion set, and basically what I did was I was able to put 12 packages of cards in this one little folder, which means I could fit another dozen folders in here. So that's like 144 different card sets, believe it or not. So basically what this is, I'm going to show you. So these are my Final M cards, and I found these fabulous sealable bags, and I laminated all my cards, and I've got all my picture cards all in one little bag. And it's so easy to pull out. And then what I do is I will put these cards either in a little container. I got these from the Christmas tree shop, or I'll put them in one of the storage boxes while I do an activity. I hope you like this little hack. Thank you.